Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Fanepa Adabala. Today I'm going to discuss a basic topic of the previous video's extension. Today the topic is about embryosac or the female gametophyte. So how the embryo sac will be there and what are the cells is there and what is the function of the embryo sac, I will discuss in this video briefly. And after long back I am uploading this video. So before going to start my topic today, firstly I am saying happy Father's Day to all my friends and my relatives and my subscribers and my dear students. Please convey my wishes to all your fathers. So today topic is about embryo sac. So embryosac is also known as the female gametophyte. So where the embryosac will be present and what is the location, first we will see. So as I said before, the structure of the flower consisting of a female parts like stigma, style and ovary, having the pollen tube, and here the presence of ovules. So each ovule is consisting of an embryosac, is also known as the female gametophyte. So let us see how this fertilization will takes place. So as I said, the male gamete is the filament with the anther. So they will produce the pollen grains. So these pollen grains will from the anther fall on the stigma of the flower, and it will reach to the pollen tube, finally reaching to the ovary. So inside the ovary we can see the ovules is nothing but the embryo sac or the female gametophyte. So let us see the internal structure is here, what will present here. So if you see the embryo sac is consisting of embryo sac or female gametophyte. So the embryo sac is surrounded by some of the layers. So from here the pollen tube, and the next one is chalaza, and having integments, and funicle. So inside is embryo sac. The embryo sac is consisting of nearly see three antipodals and having central cell and having two synergids along with the egg cell. So if you count these cells, how many cells means 1, 2, 3, three antipodals, two synergids, one egg cell and one central cell. So total how many cells? 7 cells. The embryo sac is consisting of 7 cells. So inside these cells we can see the nucleus. If you count this nucleus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nuclei. 8 nuclei. So let us see the proper diagram of the embryo sac and how this process will takes place. So let us see the embryo sac is consisting of, let us see now, the embryo sac is consisting of 3 antipodals, 1 central cell, 2 synergids along with 1 egg cell. So the pollen grains is reaching to the stigma and it will comes to the pollen tube, finally reaching the embryo sac. So each the pollen grain is having two polar nuclei. This is nothing but the male nuclei. The two nuclei will enter into the embryo sac. So the two nuclei enter into the embryo sac. So already the antipodals, each antipodal is having one nuclei. This is all haploid conditions, and the central cell is having two nuclei. The condition is 2n, two nuclei, diploid condition. and the synergy is having a single nuclei, and XL is having a single nuclei haploid condition. Here the male nuclei, polar nuclei, one nuclei is having the condition is end condition, haploid condition. So these nuclei, one of the nuclei is come and bind with the XL, and the another nuclei go and bind with the central cell. So here see, so one male nuclei will bind with the one XL is containing the single nuclei. So now the condition is N plus N is equal to 2N condition, diploid condition. This fertilization is known as the true fertilization. The true fertilization is also known as Syngamy. Syngamy. Sometimes they will ask what is the condition of the Syngamy. The Syngamy condition is 2N condition, diploid condition. So before the fertilization, the egg cell is having only single cell. So after the fertilization, the egg cell again bind with the polar nuclei of the male nuclei. So the condition is 2N condition. This is called true fertilization, is also known as Syngamy. Always the Syngamy is a 2N condition, diploid condition. And before the fertilization, the central cell is already having 2N condition, diploid condition, and another male nuclei will come and bind with the central cell. This is the formation of a triploid nuclei, 2N plus N condition. Now triploid nuclei. This condition we are known as PEN, primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus. So endosperm is nothing but the fleshy part of an fruit will be formed by the second fertilization. So in all the flowering plants, they will undergo the double fertilization. Normally in the humans and the animals, it will undergo only single fertilization, but here all the flowering plants undergo the double fertilization. The first fertilization is called the Syngamy, and the second fertilization results in the formation of PEN, primary endosperm nucleus, result in the formation of the triploid nuclei. So after the completion of the everything, they will result to form a fruit along with the seeds. So after the fertilization, the ovary will develop into fruit, ovules will develop into seeds. These seeds are used for next generation of the plant. So this is about the embryosac. The embryosac is consisting of 3 antipodals. I didn't write the names, so I will write now. This is somewhat important and interesting topic also. The upper 3 we are called as antipodals. Antipodals. And the center one is central cell, and having 2 synergids. So along with this one egg cell. So this is about the embryosac, and this is a continuation of the topic of the reproduction topic. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, comment my channel. Regarding this, if you are having any doubt, you can comment it in the comment box. I will clarify your doubts. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care and bye bye.